If the factory license plate lights in your 2015 and your F150 are either burned out or starting to look a bit dim, well then it's time to look into a stealthy and affordable upgrade here from Axial. Now the Axial LED license plate light kit will replace your entire factory housing with a brand new piece loaded with high-powered LEDs along with that smoke lens, all for right around the $40 to $50 price point for the pair. Now, for whatever reason, the license plate lights seem to be one of the last few remaining incandescent bulbs on the truck, which to me really stand out due to the dingy yellow light of the stock bulbs compared to maybe a modern bright white of an LED. Now, this definitely gets magnified, in my opinion, on trucks that already have a bunch of LED lighting going on, as I would think you'd want to keep that look a little bit more consistent. And that's where these options from Axial come into play. Now, by replacing the dingy factory bulbs and housings with the smoked LEDs, you're not only going to light up the rear of the truck much better, but those LEDs will make for a more consistent appearance with some of your other factory or aftermarket LED lighting around the truck. Now that brightness again is thanks to the modern LEDs in each housing here, guys, 18 to be exact per housing, and those guys are going to shine at a bright white 6000K color temperature, which again, very consistent among the LED world. Now LEDs are going to be located in that durable ABS housing topped off with a UV coated smoked polycarbonate lens, and that's going to help keep things looking good, shining bright for years to come. Last but not least here, guys, the Axials have been given both the DOT and the SAE stamp of approval, which does make these legal for use in all 50 states. But now we want to shift gears and get into the install, and the site's going to call this plug and play job a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, maybe 30 minutes or less to complete from start to finish. But to give you a better idea of just how things will go down on your 15 and newer rig at home, check out this AT customer walking you through it now.
All right, you guys, we're going to be installing these Axial license plate lights on my Ford F150. The only tool that you're going to be needing is this trim removal piece or a pry bar tool. A screw, a flathead screwdriver would work just as fine. Now you got your pry bar tool, let's go down here. You want to put it in there and use a little bit of force, bring it out. Now what you want to do is twist it, release. Now this little light bulb here is a little bit hard to take out, so you want to wiggle it out. Make sure it's secured a bit because it will slide back in. You don't have to worry. For this, the LEDs are already in there, so all you have to do is plug this cord in where you took out the light bulb. Push it in there. Give it a little tug just to make sure it's secured in there. Now, you'll notice that there's a bigger part here and these smaller ends. You just want to line that up to the housing. So force the cords back in and twist. Give it a little tug just to make sure it's secured. Same for the housing. You got this 2 bars here that'll line up here, and you have this 1 bar that'll line up right here. And all you have to do is just press it back in, and there you go, it's installed. All right, so you can notice that the housing here is just the housing on its own. It comes separate with the light bulb, but the Axial LED comes already in. The LEDs are already in with this black housing and a black lens, so you don't have to worry about it falling apart or whatnot. It's already put all together. So we got the first one installed here. I'll go ahead and turn on the lights. You can notice, even with the lights on, you'll notice that the LED is significantly brighter than the fluorescent light. All right, now that we got the first one out, let's go ahead and do the same process. You want to go in there, use a little bit of force, same deal, twist, the housing, release, give it a wiggle side to side. Use a lot of force actually. There we go. Same deal. Use that same connector. You have to put it in here. Give it a nice little wiggle. Once you think it's in there, give it a little tug just to make sure it's secured. Same dealio. Sticker makes it a little bit harder. Find that big area on both sides, line them up. give it that twist, and then find the bigger side, line it up with your bigger side, and that's it.
So if you are looking to add a stealthy LED upgrade for your 2015 and your F-150 at home, then be sure to check out these options from Axial right here at AmericanTrucks.com.